find the three additional points on the parabola that has vertex 1 and minus 2 and passes through the points 0 and 5. So first of all, the vertex of the parabola is 1 and minus 2. So 1 is here, minus 2 is here. So the point is right here. And the other things what they are giving us is, and passes through the point 0, minus 5. 0, minus 5 is here. If I want to graph this parabola, I know the axis of symmetry is in the middle. And another point it can be here too, I know for sure. And then I'm going to connect these points. So this is going to be like this parabola, and this continues down, down, and the same way I'm going in the other side. So the parabola is this parabola. Now we already have 2 points, but they say find 3 additional points. So 3 additional points. So first of all, let's find one equation here, and the equation is y is equal to the a times x minus h, and everything is a square plus k. So this is the quadratic equation. And now from this point I know, just let me do some extra step here. Y is equal to the a we don't know what it is. We will find out. And the x, I will do some extra step. I'm taking just the h. This is a h because this is the vertex, and this is k. So h is a minus 1. Everything here is in square, minus 2. So k is minus 2. But I need to find a, and now this point here is a x, and this is a y. So I'm taking this point here, what we have here, right here, the y-intercept, and now y is a minus 5, and here is a. Instead of the x, I'm going to plug in 0, minus 1, and everything here is in square, minus 2. So now I converted this in one equation that is with one unknown. This is a, is not 9, is a. And now here is a minus 5, and let me see what I can do here now. 0 minus 1 is a minus 1, is the square is 1. 1 times a is a, so a is here, and minus 2. If I add in both sides plus 2 in both sides, let me add a plus to both sides. So let me make a little bit longer, but let me explain every step. Plus 2 in this side and plus 2 in this side. So a is going to be equal, minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. So a is equal to minus 3. Minus 3. And now the equation is going to be this way. Y is equal to the, instead of the a is minus 3. So I have minus 3 here instead of the a. And I have a x minus 1. X minus 1. X minus 1, everything here is in square. And minus 2. And now I want to find the 3 points. 3 additional points. Already I have 2 points of the parabola. 3 points that the graph of the parabola is passing through these 3 points. Let me make here one table, and I am adding here 3 points, x and y. Let me assume here in this side, if they are going, I know the 2 is going to hit somewhere the parabola. Let me plug here 2, but let me write it with different colors. So let me write 2 red here, and let me write with different color another one. Let me say I will take a 3, and 3 is going to hit somewhere here, all the points, but I'm taking integers because it's much easier to calculate integers. This is the reason why I'm choosing the integers. And the other I'm taking 4. So those are 4 points of the x, but I want to find the y's. What is going to be the y? And since I have here red, I'm going here to plug, instead of the x, I'm going to plug here 2. So here is minus 3, and here is time 2 minus 1. And everything is a square, and minus 2. if I plug in this number here, instead of the x, I'm plugging 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 square is 1. Time minus 3 is minus 3. And minus 2 is minus 5. So this is going to be equal to minus 5. So this was easy to calculate. This way it's better to choose some integers, because integers is much easier to calculate. So this is minus 5. I found this. And now I'm plugging 3. Let me take a different equation here. Y, let's say, is 3. And now here, instead of the x, I'm plugging 3 here. So here is 3 minus 1. This is a square minus 2. And I'm going to see what's going to happen. 3 minus 1 is a 2. 2 square is a 4. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. And negative 2 here is negative 14. So I hope I didn't make any mistake in calculation. So this is a negative 14. So we already found 2 points. I'm looking now to find the third point. The third is a 4. X is a 4. Let's see what is a y. And I'm taking this color. So let's say y is equal with a 4. So whenever it's x, I'm going to plug here 4 instead of the x. Here is x, I'm plugging the 4 minus 1. So here is a 4 minus 1. And this is a square. And is minus 2. So what's going to happen here? What is going to be? So 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 3 is negative 27. Negative 27, negative 2 is negative 29. So I found the third point. And the third point is negative 29. So those are the 3 points where is going to intersect where is going to pass the graph of parabola. So is a 2 and negative 5. This is one point. Another point is a 3 and minus 14. 3 and minus 14. And the third point is 4 and negative 29. 4 and negative 29. So those are the 3 points.